To edit text in Canva resume, let's come over to our templates here. We want to search for a resume and you will see all these resume options come up. You want to go through them and select a resume you want to edit. Let's select this resume and we're going to click on customize this template. In the editor, the first thing I would like you to do is to change this to be your own name. So I will type in my own name here and I have my name in the name of the file. I would enter that, and to edit the text in your resume, you will double click into the text box and it highlights the text in blue like so. So you can start typing. That is one option I'm going to undo. Or if we copy this text here, this name we wrote here, if I copy that, I can also come into this text box and select everything, Ctrl A, and paste the text I already have. You want to do that for every text box there is. I'm going to click out so that I can be able to select the next text box, and I want to type what I am, creative educator. So once I have that text, and to even see what you're doing perfectly, you can zoom into your page and scroll down, and so you can see what is going on your page. If at any point you don't like the color the resume has, you want to change it to black, I will click on this text box and go to color here. I want to change all the text color into black. I will select that color black, and you see that from here you see change every color that looks this way, that looks like this, change it into black. And it says whether you want to change it on current page or you want to change it on all pages. I want this very much to apply to all the pages, and I will click. You see all my text has turned into black. So you want to go through each of the text boxes. An easier way to even do it, if I select this text I typed here, there are things I want to edit at once. Copy, since our resume has 4 pages and on each of the page we have this text here. I'm also going to select this text to copy. I'll also select this text so I can show you what I'm doing. I'll go to file and you will see find and replace text. I'm going to find all the text that says this. You see it appeared 3 times because we've already changed. But remember, our document is 4 pages and we are going to type in what we want to change the text to it. And if I click on replace all the text on my pages will be replaced. I will also do the same for the certified nurse, and I will change that into creative educator, and you see it appear 3 times, and I will replace all. So now that I have this, let's just close this out. You want to go through all your pages. It's the same method you're going to use to edit text. You double tap on the text box, you start typing into the text box, or you paste your own text. This is how to edit text in a resume.